In the making of Prabic Realm, we extended the study of material culture, natural environment, regional climate that could be found in my previous workshop agenda. Meanwhile, we also hope to see how the concept, making, and presentation of a research-based workshop can be a catalyst of a social discourse. A slight difference of this workshop comparing to the previous one is we are going to kickstart with an online discussion and then move on to an offline production. During our production, we will research, explore, and experiment with the local context, and then realize our little vision for them into an architectural interface that can trigger more conversation for further optimization. From my past few years of my exposure in curating and architectural making, I came to a realization that only when a design is being incubated inside the community, it will have its value and validity tested. This act of incubating your design inside the community will also grant you an opportunity to grow through a multifaceted conversation. Having your work turn into a communicator, it will also open up more doors of research topic to dwell on. For me, the precious part about this community-based and context-specific approaches, the design process and thinking tend to be more critical and authentic. In my article, Architecture and Curating, which I wrote for University of Florida, I elaborated the Prabic identity in the past was in the hand of planners, architects, or even politicians. With our community evolved into a complex constellation of identities, the mixing roles of architect, curator, and storyteller is becoming unprecedentedly crucial in the process of city making. With the real site with its potential or constraint as a background, we also hope to expose the participants of this workshop into an exploration with depth and breadth in terms of the scope of research. Therefore, we will take a disused space as this one as a start and turn it into a ground of experimentation in conversation during and after our workshop. It is important that the architectural interface we came up with would be beneficial and friendly to the community. In order to achieve this, we split our workshop into two parts. The first part is about crafting the Prabic Realm. Participants in this part will be required to design an architectural interface to launch a conversation. As for the second part, we require participants to design an event as an activation of their architectural interface. In Part 1, Phase A, the participant can explore with the topic of their interest, design and make an interface as a correspondence of the vision they wish to deliver. And then in Phase B, they will devise an event to activate the architectural interface for the community. I'm mentor Wendy Teo from Borneo Lab. Looking forward to having the conversation with you in this workshop.